Hi, welcome. I'm Melissa from Handmade by Melissa Rhoads. Today I'm going to show you how to half double crochet. I already have a chain started here. When you're half double crocheting, you always yarn over first, and you need to go into the second chain from the hook to give enough height. So I'm inserting in the second chain from the hook, and then you have 3 loops on your hook. You then yarn over again and pull through each of those loops. Yarn over, insert into the next chain space, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert into the next chain space, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. And I will continue down the way here. Yarn over. When you're reading patterns, half double crochet is abbreviated HDC. So now I'm at the end here. Now if the pattern calls to go back the other way with half double crochet, you always chain 2 to give it the proper height. Yarn over. And you get the idea. That concludes my video for half double crochet. Thank you for watching.